Hello everyone, I am going to explain question number 8 from exercise 1.3 from class 10th. So in this question we have to find out square root of given number by Vedic method. In Vedic method we are going to use Dvandva Yog method. So first step is we have to make the pair of the given number. So from back side, that is from units place, we have to make the pair of two digit number. So we found that 56 is in one pair, 27 is in another pair, and 52 in next pair, and 1 is one alone. Now after forming the pair, we will write these digits in the table. So see here, we are going to start the question. Since we are finding the square root, so square root and whatever be the given question is right here. Then draw the three columns. As you can see, this is first column, this is second column, and this is third column. Now here this column you just draw by the dotted line. It's very necessary. I'll tell you what's the importance of this. Now we'll enter all these datas, all these digits from second column onwards. The first pair you just write down in the second column. In first pair we have only 1, that's why only 1 just write here. And after writing the first pair in second column, remaining all the digits write down in third column by creating some gap. Now first column. Now in first column we are going to select a number whose square is either 1 or just less than 1. So here the first pair is 1. So the 1 square is 1, that's why we will select 1. Now 1 will write down at 3 place, first place, second place and third place. Here you have to put the plus sign. Now 1 plus 1 is 2. Now this 2 is going to be the dividend for next digits from third column. So in third column we have digits from 5 to, so for all these dividends the divisor is always going to be 2. Now for first pair the divisor is 1. So we are going to start the steps. We will start from first step. First step is we have to divide this first pair by the selected number, that is 1. Now here always you have to do square, that is 1 into 1, 1 1 ja. If you select 2, then 2 2 ja 4, like this we have to do. So in first step 1 1 ja 1, so 1 minus 1 is 0. So this 1 is the question which we already wrote before, and 0 is the remainder that you have to write down to the next number. So after 1, what is the next digit here? 5. So 0 just write down little bit left and down of 5. So your next dividend is 0 5. So after dotted line, whatever be the dividend, you not have to improve it, directly go for the division. So in next step, that is step second, I wrote here, the dividend is 5. So directly divide it, you not have to improve this. Now what is the divisor? Divisor is 2. So 5, this 5 divided by 2. Now here you not have to do like 1 1 ja 1, that's why 1. So I not opted the same pattern, that I have not done the square of 2. Simply just divide this 5 by 2. So when we divide 5 by 2, automatically 2 to the 4 will come. Now 5 minus 4 is 1. So this is quotient. Quotient is 2 and remainder is 1. So this quotient 2 you just write down just under 5, and this remainder 1 you just write down to the next number. So after 5, what is the next number? 2. So remainder 1 write down little bit left and down of 2. So your next dividend is 12. So this 12 dividend is the second dividend after the dotted line. Now onwards each dividend you have to improve. So I am repeating, after dotted line whatever be the first dividend, we not have to improve it, directly go for the division from the divisor which we obtained after adding the selected number. And after this division, whatever be the new dividend you will obtain, that is 12. So this second dividend onwards, each dividend we have to improve. So how to improve? Just see in the third step. Dividend is, how much is the dividend we obtained? 12. So ID means improved dividend. So improved dividend is 12 minus, so you just think because we entered here 2, so before this column, just imagine an imaginary line here. So before this column and after the dotted line, you have only 2. So D of 2, that is Dvandva of 2. So D of 2. So how we had done? 12 minus D of 2, because if we had drawn a line here, then before this line and after dotted line only 2 is appearing, that's why. So 2's Dvandva is 2 square, that is 4, 12 minus 4 is 8. Since it is positive, so go for division unless we have to improve this second step. Now we'll divide this 8 by the same divisor which we wrote for the in the table, that is 2. So 8 will divide by 2, so we will obtain 4 and 0. So 4 is quotient and 0 is the remainder. So we will enter in the table 4 is the quotient here and 0 is the remainder. Now here the dividend is 0, 2, that is 2. And improved dividend is, think that you have drawn a line here, and before this line and after the dotted line what number you have? 2 and 4. This cross and 3 will come afterwards. Just now we are up to 4 only. So here what we have? Only 4. Cross 3 will come afterwards. So after drawing the line here, imaginary line, just imagine in your mind that you have drawn a line. Then before the line and after the dotted line, the numbers which we have is 2 and 4. So we have to do Dvandva of 24. So to improve dividend, 2 minus D of 24. So see the step. Dividend is 2 and improved dividend is 2 minus Dvandva of 2. Now since it's a 2-digit number, so to find out Dvandva we have to make the pair. So this extra 2 you have to write down, and 2 into 4, these digits 2 into 4. So it's 16. 2 minus 16 is negative. Since we obtained the negative answer, that's why the previous step we have to improve. Since we divided it 8 by 2 and we wrote here 4, and because of this 4, in next step we obtain the negative dividend. So this 4 we have to reduce. So 4, one step you have to reduce. So before 4, which digit used to appear? 3. That's why in the table, cut this 4 and write here 3. The thing is, when we will divide this 8 by 2, you have to take here 3. So just see the step. When 8, means this division we have to improve. So 8 divided by 2, you not have to take 4. This time you have to take 3. So 2 3s are 6. 8 minus 6 is 2. So your new quotient is 3 and new remainder is 2. So 3 we already wrote. Now 2 we have to write down, new remainder. So see in the table, this 0 was the remainder in the first step, but because in this step we improve dividend go negative, that's why we improve the division, and now new remainder obtained is 2. So just cut this 0 and write down here 2. So now new dividend is 22, and now we have to improve this 22. So just draw an imaginary line in your mind. So before the imaginary line and after the dotted line, the number which we have is 2, 3, 23, because 4 we cancel. So 2, 3, 23. So 22 minus D of 23. So see the step. Dividend is 22 and improved dividend is 22 minus D of 23. So it's again 2-digit number. So form the pair. So this 2 is extra because of the Dvandva. So 2 multiplied by digits, that is 2 into 3. So when you will do it, you will get 12. So 22 minus 12 is 10. Now since it's positive, see students, in previous step we obtained a negative number, but now after improving we obtained positive number. So go for the further division. So 10. So in this improved dividend is 10. Means 22 is changed to 10. So this 10 you have to divide by the divisor, that is 2. So 2 5s are 10. We obtained here 0. So quotient is 5 and remainder is 0. We will enter in the table. That is 22 we have divided. Means improved dividend we had divided. So its answer was, quotient was 5 and remainder was 0. Now here dividend is 0, 7. Now this 0, 7 we have to improve again. So just draw an imaginary line. So before this imaginary line here, the digits which we are obtaining is 5 and then 3 and then 2. That is after the dotted line 2, 3, 5. So 2, 3, 5 means 235. So 07 minus Dvandva of 235. So see, divided is 07 means 7. So to improve it, Dvandva of 235. So to find out the Dvandva, we have to make the pair from extremes. So 2 and 5 came in the one pair and 3 is alone. Since 2 and 5 came in the pair, so along this pair extra 2 you have to write down. That's why this 2 into 5, that is 2 into 5, then multiplied by 2 because they are in the pair. Now this 3 is alone, so alone numbers Dvandva is square of that number, that is 3 square. Solve them, you will get here 29. Now 7 minus 29 we are going to obtain negative number. Now so we have to reduce the quotient in previous step. Previous step means this step. So quotient is 5, so we have to reduce it. One step we have to reduce. So before 5 what we used to obtain? 4. That's why this division you have to do again, but instead of 5 we have to take this time 4. So 10 when we divide by 2 we will get here 4 and 2 4s are 8. So 10 minus 8 is 2. Now this 4 and this 2 you have to re-enter in the table. So just see the table. So this in the table 5 we reduced to 4 and 0 just cross, and instead of 0 what we obtain remainder is 2. That is 27 is the new dividend. Now new dividend you have to again improve. So 27 minus D of 2, 3, 4 is, before we had 2, 3, 5, but 5 we reduced to 4. So D of 2, 3, 4. So 27 minus 2, 3, 4's Dvandva. So just see the step. 27 minus D of 2, 3, 4. So again just make the pair. So this is these two are in the pair and 3 is alone. So since these are 2 are in the pair, so 2 extra 2 and 3 square. Multiply them, you will get here, this multiply and then add, you will get here 25. So 27 minus 25 is 2. So since we got positive, that's why we will go for further step. So 2 divided by 2, that is 2 1 ja 2. So 1 is quotient and 0 is the remainder. So we will enter in the table. So 1 is the quotient and 0 is the remainder. Now new dividend is 0, 5 and we have to improve 0, 5. So D of 2, 3, 4 and 1. So we'll just see the step. Here dividend is 5. So 5 minus D of 2, 3, 4, 1. So since we have the four numbers, so you have to make the pair from extremes. Extreme is corner. So these two corner number in one pair and middle two in the another pair. So when the digits are in the pair, to find out the Dvandva, these digits you have to multiply by 2. So 2 into 2 into 1. That's why 2 into 2 into 1. Now 3 and 4 are in the pair. So 2 into 3 into 4. Multiply them, add them, and obviously it is going to be negative. So this step you have to reduce. So this 1 you have to reduce. So it's going to be 0. So this division we have to improve. That is what we have here, 2 and 2. So this 2 when divided by 2, instead of 1 what we have to take this time? 0, because we are obtaining here negative improved dividend. So 2 zeros are 0. So these corrections, that is 0 and 2, you have to re-enter in the table. So this 1 just cross, and instead of 1 what we took? 2 zeros are 0. That's why 0 and remainder we obtain 2. So it's 25. So 25 you have to improve. So 25 minus D of 2, 3, 4, 0. Before we had 2, 3, 4, 1, but 1 is reduced now to 0. So you have 2, 3, 4, 0. 25 minus D of 2, 3, 4, 0. So see the step. Yeah, this, because here we got the negative and then we improved it. So 25 new dividend we obtained. Now new dividend 25 we have to improve. So D of 2, 3, 4, 0. Before we had, what we had, just see here, 2, 3, 4, 1. But 1 we reduced to 0, that's why now we have here 2, 3, 4, 0. Now make the pair from extremes. 2 and 0 are in one pair and 3 and 4 are in another pair. So the digits which are in pair, with extra 2 you have to multiply to find out the Dvandva. So 2 multiplied by 2 into 0, and 3 and 4 are in pair. So 2 into 3 into 4. So when we multiply and add them, you will get 24. So this is 0 and 3 4s are 12, 12 2s are 24. 25 minus 24 is 1. Now 1 we have to divide by 2. 2 zeros are 0, then 1 minus 0 is 1. So 0 and 2. So this will enter in the table. So here is 0 and remainder is 1. Now 16. 16 we have to improve. So before 16, just draw imaginary line here. So before 16 and after dotted line, you have so many digits. 3, 2, 3, 4, 0 and 0. So 5 digits, 2, 3, 4, 0, 0. So 16 minus D of these numbers. So just see the step. 16 minus D of 2, 3, 4, 0, 0. So we'll make pair from extreme. So 2 and 0 in the pair, then 3 and 0 in the pair, and 4 is alone. So those who are in pair, with them 2 will come. So 2 into 0, then 2 into 3 into 0, and 4 is alone. So here plus 4 square will come. I think it got cut. So you just write down here plus 4 square. So this is also 0, this is also 0, and here 4 is hidden. 4 square is 16. That's why here 16 came. So 16 minus 16 is 0. So improved dividend is positive. So divide it. So 0 is the dividend and divisor is 2. So 2 zeros are 0. So quotient is also 0 and remainder is also 0. So enter in the table. Here 0 and to enter the remainder we don't have digits, means it's completed. Now how many pairs we have, just count. First 1, 2, 3, 4 pairs we have. So from here 4 numbers just select, 1, 2, 3, 4, and these numbers neglect. So your square root of given question is 1, 2, 3, 4. So we'll write down in the answer. The square root of given question is 1, 2, 3, 4. So answer is 1234. So students, I hope its method is clear to you. So we are using the Dvandva Yog method to find out the square root of given number, and in this you have to take care that it's near about same like Dvajang method, but in this we are improving the dividend by finding the Dvandva. So this square root method by Vedic is also named as Dvandva Yog method to find out the square root. So what is the this question or this method is named by two ways. First way is find out the square root by Vedic method. The second method by which they can ask the question is find out the square root by Dvandva Yog method. Both are same. Hence this question is completed. Thank you.